everyone, my name is Ashley and today I'm here to show you the Grey Wolf 26 DJSE. Let's check it out. Check out the interior on the 26 DJSE. In the front we have a spacious bed area, so we have our queen size bed, plenty of cabinetry. This bed lifts up so you have storage space that you can access from inside the unit or also from outside through your storage doors. This area can be partitioned off by this curtain that you see here. You have your sofa set up that does jackknife down and become a bed, so that would provide you with additional sleeping space for your family and friends. Moving on in the unit, you can see our dining and kitchen setup. Here you have your dinette. This will also double as a sleeping space, so if you need additional space for your friends and family, you're all set with this. On the kitchen side of the unit, again, like in all of our Grey Wolf floor plans, you're gonna have your oven, stove top, your microwave, plenty of storage space, lots of electrical hookups for your coffee makers, your toasters, those types of things. Your farmhouse, large residential style sink and cover, so if you need a little bit more counter space. You also have your large 12-volt refrigerator. It's going to give you plenty of space for your food and drinks. That also can be powered by the juice pack, which will be included on all Grey Wolf floor plans. That is our 50-watt solar panel with battery and battery disconnect. So if you're not hooked up to electric at your campsite, you can still run your refrigerator, you can run your lights, awnings, and slide outs in those units where that would apply. Here in the back of the unit, we have large, spacious double bunks, as well as storage underneath that can be accessed from the exterior of the unit, and your spacious bathroom here next to your bunk area. On the exterior of the 26 DJSE, as with all of our Grey Wolf floor plans, you have this tough coat exterior metal. This is great because if you're at your campsite and you happen to go by a tree branch or something like that, you don't have to worry that the exterior of your unit is going to be scratched. So this gives you an extra layer of protection. On your exterior of this unit, as well as all Grey Wolves, you're going to have your outside entertainment setup. So you have your TV brackets, your speakers, all of your hookups, as well as your LP Quick Connect. So you can hook up a portable grill and use the LP line straight off of the unit. You also are going to have your Cherokee stable step, your large grab handle for safety, as well as your power awning with your blue LED lights. On the 26 DJSE and all of our Grey Wolf floor plans, we include this rear rack system where you can put up to 200 pounds of cargo, so that's great for your storage needs. For more information on the Grey Wolf 26 DJSE, please visit our website at forestriver.inc.com/Grey Wolf.